All right, here we are. It's the first Friday of the month of October. We're looking at a record high of 90 degrees set back in 1941 and a record low of bone-chilling, killing freeze of 23 degrees set back in 1964. Record high yesterday, record low yesterday was 24 set in 1964. These cold air masses come in and the hot ones come in, and they usually hang for a couple of days, and sometimes you get 2 or 3 days in a row strung together that are record highs from the same year or record lows. Well, anyway, we're looking at temperatures. As expected, the thermometer's gotten into the mid-70s in many areas. Hot spot right now is Morgantown with 76. We got 73 in Washington and in Steubenville. Winds are coming in generally out of the east and southeast. Low speeds, as expected, 3 to 5 miles an hour. Over the last 12 hours, you can see some clouds over New England. They had a lot of low-level clouds earlier, but the sun has come out. That's anomalous propagation with the radar. No, there's no rain up there in Ohio or over Lake Erie. We move on. There's our temperatures. As expected, still a warm tongue of moisture going all the way up into the western Great Lakes. Meanwhile, it's pretty cool out there in the west. These are the lower elevations. Salt Lake City with 47 degrees. They've got snow in higher elevations. And we're beginning to warm up here. Caribou still not very warm with 52. We push the button. Takes us to our watches and warnings. Nothing east of the Mississippi River, well, except for maybe along the Wisconsin Minnesota border. These would be winds out of the south. These are wind advisories. These are wind warnings. And then we have frost and freeze warnings and that kind of stuff. Also, the bright white indicates some high elevations where we're expecting some accumulating snow. Well, there's the big system out in the west. It's going to just be churning around there for the next 5 or 6 days. That takes us to Predictor. Predictor shows high pressure sitting up over the, we could call it the mid-Atlantic area. We've got a low moving off up into southern Canada. That one heads toward James Bay. And the high pressure by late Saturday still hanging over the area. Drop dead gorgeous weather for high school football tonight. Mountaineers on Saturday. Steelers on Sunday. There we go, 4 p.m. on Sunday. Hopefully by now, by this time on Sunday, the Steelers will be 3 wins, 2 losses for the season. There's our low. This is the one that's going to be getting us wet as we get into early next week. But still, Monday's looking good. You're still working on the car outside. You got this, that, and the other thing to do. You know, Monday might be your day. And then we're looking at low pressure there in whatever that is, way out there in the Midwest. Here we are late Tuesday, showing showers into the area. So Tuesday starts dry, but we've been unable to promise that it would stay dry till sundown Tuesday. Can't make that promise. So Predictor is indicating rain showers by Tuesday afternoon. Showers on and off, and then most of that rain moves on out Wednesday afternoon, and then we may get a break in the action. And then as the cold front comes through Thursday, we may trigger off a few more showers, and then some cooler air heading our way. We put it all together with a 7-day forecast. You can see Saturday's high, Sunday, Monday, upper 70s, low 80s, and then we start to cool off a bit. There's our showers Tuesday late in the afternoon. On and off Tuesday night into Wednesday, maybe a little break in the action during the day Wednesday, but then more showers late Wednesday. And then we get the cold front coming through on Thursday, triggers off a few showers, and then you'll see highs like 81 on Monday. By Friday, the high will be 63. Looks like we'll wake up Friday morning with lows in the upper 40s, could be low 40s by Saturday morning. Probably dry for 8th week of high school football, and certainly it'll be a lot of it much cooler. As we play our games tonight, we'll be in the 60s. We play our games next Friday night, thermometers will be in the 50s.